We are on the way of right. We are on the right path. We have been subjected to verses, hadiths, revelations. No one should look for anything else in us. We have no contradiction, no conflict, no falsehood. Because there is no contradiction in the truth. There is no contradiction in revelation. Because Allah is nask. He abolishes a provision. When the revelation is completed, the nask is over. The work is fulfilled. I have finalized your religion. We're not talking about that. The revelation was revealed in a timely manner. The qibla has changed. Some provisions have changed. Some prohibitions became permitted. Some freedoms became prohibited. Allah did this for reasons of wisdom. We don't say anything to these. Our religion has reached perfection. What do you expect to change after this time? This is the Sharia that will last until the Day of Judgment. And it is possible and suitable to solve the problems of the Ummah that will come until the Day of Judgment. There is no other prescription for bliss. There is no prescription for salvation for humanity, for all mankind,